Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the full trial run of the 4-sided EPS packaging machine, continuously packing 10 bundles. First, the EPS sheets are placed onto the working table. After starting, the machine begins operating, automatically conveying the sheets to the packaging area and completing the wrapping process. In this trial run, we packed a total of 10 bundles, with each bundle taking about 15 seconds to complete. After the trial, we could observe up close that the cutting edges were smooth, and the finished packages had an excellent overall appearance. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.